Okay children, in this one you have to make the project like this. On the first page of the file, you will write the name of your school in this way. If you are not able to write in semicircular, you won't write. Okay, you will just put that Army Public School, just like you write in every copy on the front page of the copy. Just like that, it will be written like this: Army Public School and Old Camp Talierganj. And after that, you will write project 5. Okay, project 5. The next point. Kindly please write down in some rough page. And after that, you will paste the picture of the author, whoever you have chosen. Okay, I will also give you the name of the author you will choose. You won't choose any kind of author, because in your syllabus some limited authors are given. So according to your own level, I will give you the name of the authors. Among them you have to choose one. Okay. Next, when you will paste the picture of the author, and after that you will write the name of the author here, and with his tenure. Tenure, it means whatever life he has spent. जितना भी उसने अपना समय जीवन बिताया है, उस जीवन का, जैसे मानो हम रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, तो उनकी अर्ली लाइफ कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई? 1861 से कहाँ तक? 1941 तक. तो हमें उनके बारे में क्या लिखना है? जस्ट लाइक दैट वेयर इट इज रिटन टैगोर 1925 it is written. Just like that, look at this. 7th May 1867 to 7th of August 1941. This is the tenure of his life. Just like that, you have to write in this project file also. Like you have written Ravindranath Tagore, and after that you will write 7th whatever is given, 1861 to 7th of August 1941. Okay, and after that you will write a beautiful quote of that author. Let me give you how you will find it. Okay, you have to find out the quote of any author. So you will put like this, and look, here there is a lot of quotes like butterfly counts not months but moments and has time enough. Second one is grey hairs are sign of wisdom. If you hold your tongue, speak and they are but hairs are as in the young. Nirvana is not the blowing out of the candle, it is the extinguishing of the flame because day is come. Trees are the earth's endless effort to speak to the listening heaven. Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add colors to my sunset sky. So you have to write a beautiful quote of that author. Like you have to find out some others. Like let me give you one more example. Arundhati Roy. Now you can see Arundhati Roy quotes. These are very long. First one is very long, like to love, to be loved, to never forget your own significance, to never get used to the unspeakable violence and the vulgar disparity of the life around you. It is a lot. If you are having a great place, a lot of amount of the place, you can write, but I suggest that you should careless words too. They make people love you a little less. So many points are given here. So this was the first page you will make. Now let's move to the second page. Class, I think you must have understood about it. Okay. Now if you are taking the second page, and in second page what you will do? In the second page you will write the early life. First you will write the early life of the author. The first point will be the early life of the author, in which you will write where he attended the school and on which age. It means at which age he started writing. Okay. Second one is author life. Author life, you know, it means when he started writing the literature. Next one you will write the awards and achievements of that author. Okay. Then the fourth one, that is the contribution. The contribution to literature. Okay. Like someone has given a lot to the literature. Like you have taken the example of Rabindranath Tagore. So what he has given us, he has given us a very beautiful place. Let me show you. Here examples are given also. Okay. You can see in this picture, he has written the early life. About the early life you can write, and after that the works, dramas, short stories, novels, poetry. You can do one thing, children. When you will write about the award, when you will write about the contribution, okay, in which you can do one thing. In this one you can make a beautiful table like this. Look, you can make a beautiful table of 1, then you will make a beautiful table of 2, and third you can make a beautiful table of 3, in which you can categorize. Like in this one you can write the poetry, in second one you can write the name of the place, in third one you can write the name of prose. Understood? Or you can write the books also. It depends upon you that how much beautiful you can make it. Okay. And you can use the pen of sparkle, and if you are if it is not worthy to if you cannot afford it, you can write with a beautiful pen, and you can write with the sketch also. But there is one more thing. Some of the children I have seen that they write everything with the sketch. This is totally unappreciable. It is totally unappreciable, class. Whenever you write something about the author's life, you should use gel pen. Which pen you will use? You will use gel pen and blue. It should be blue. And whatever heading you are writing, heading can be written in the beautiful colors, different colors. But one more thing, you want to use red color. It is totally prohibited. Understood? Red color is prohibited. You will use blue, black, purple, green, whatever color you would like to write. Pink you can also use. Orange you can use. But you will not use red color, because this is for teacher only. Okay? Next one, that you will use gel pen, blue, and one more thing I would like to say, that whenever you will write about the contribution, you can write all the things within the tables, making the tables. Look at this. Some of the poetry writers or authors are like, they have also tried in politics. Like some are the political thinker also, like Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore also have a great place in politics before independence. If your chosen author was also in politics, you can write a little about his politics life also. Did you understood, class? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the main points. These are the main points about the life of the author. Nothing else you will write. I have told you one more option, that is political life. Okay. These four only can be the part of your project. Okay. Nothing else. When you will submit this project, you will tell me the date, and after that I will start checking. But wait, let me tell you when you will start sending this. Today is, what is the date today? Today is 11, I think. Okay. If today is 11, after 15 I will start checking. Okay. And after 15, how I will check? Let me tell you one thing. From roll number 1 to 15 will send me on date 15. Roll number 16 to 25 will send me on 16, and roll number 26 to whatever up to your strength, like 30, 32, whatever the strength in your class, they will submit me on 17. Class, are you agree?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Do you have any problem to submit me the project within these dates?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So it means that you are ready to give me your book. Yes, child.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for writing these 4 points, we will use our 3 pages.
Yes, only 3 pages. You won't
Okay.
write a lot of about the author. You know that you are in 7th class. So what you should write? Let me give you one more example also. Otherwise you won't be able to write that what should I choose to write. Look, you are writing about the early life of Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. So first you will write about that in his early childhood his father traveled widely. The Tagore. First you will write about his father, when he was born, and on what place he was born, and who was his wife, and these are the important point of his life. Okay, when how the family was poor or it was affluent family, and was there any relation between the family of the author and the literature. मतलब ऐसा कि जैसे क्या है कि कुछ ऑथर्स ऐसे हैं जिनके पिता भी ऑथर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए तुम्हें बताना पड़ेगा कि उनका जो जन्मजाति रिश्ता था, कैसा रिश्ता था, इनवॉल्व रिश्ता था, किसके साथ, लिटरेचर के साथ। ऐसा होता है जनरली बच्चों कि जिसके पिता कवि होते हैं उनके बच्चे भी कवि हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि भाई उनको बचपन से ही उस तरीके का क्या मिला होता है, माहौल मिला होता है, ठीक है। लेकिन कुछ ऐसे भी ऑथर्स हैं जिनको माहौल नहीं मिला होता, वो उनके अंदर एक इनबॉर्न क्वालिटी होती है, तो वो इनबॉर्न क्वालिटी वालों की एक बात अलग है। जिनकी इनबॉर्न क्वालिटी होगी उनके बारे में लिख देना कि उनके अंदर एक इनबॉर्न क्वालिटी थी, और जिनके बारे में ऐसा पता है आपको कि इनबॉर्न क्वालिटी नहीं थी लेकिन घर में ऐसा माहौल मिला इसलिए बन गए, तो वो भी आप लोग लिख लोगे। इसमें से इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स ही नोट करने हैं, जैसे लिखना है उनके अर्ली लाइफ के बारे में कि वो क्या करते थे, वो कहाँ कहाँ रहे और उन्होंने कौन कौन सी जगह ज्वाइन करी। उसके बाद देखो आप लोगों ने इसमें कुछ और चीजें भी लिखी हुई है, जैसे ही रोट 6 पोएम्स रिलेटिंग टू सिखिज्म, a number of articles in Bengali Child magazine। इसका मतलब वो बचपन से ही लिखना चालू कर दिए थे, ठीक है। तो ये सारी चीजें आप लोग नोट्स कर सकते हो, ठीक है। उसके बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें और भी लिखी हुई हैं कि उन्होंने और क्या क्या किया लाइफ में। शांति निकेतन के बारे में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चों, क्योंकि इन्होंने शिक्षा व्यवस्था में हमारी जो एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है उसमें भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया। उसके भी ये बहुत ही ग्रेट थिंकर रहे हैं बच्चों, इसको बोलते हैं ना रेवोल्यूशनरी थिंकर। सो ही वाज अ रेवोल्यूशनरी थिंकर आल्सो। तो यही सब चीज़ें आपको उनके बारे में बतानी है। फैमिली हिस्ट्री, मतलब टैगोर की पूरी फैमिली की हिस्ट्री भी दी हुई है यहाँ पर। तो आप लोग इसमें से जो मेन और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं उनके लाइफ के बारे में वो ही सब आप लोग नोट डाउन करेंगे। ये नहीं कि यू विल नॉट राइट ऑल द थिंग्स अबाउट द बायोग्राफी ऑफ समवन, ओके। ये सारी चीज़ें, ओके। सो क्लास, now my class is going to over now. Thank you.